In this video, we will cover how to change console settings on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Console. From this screen, we can change the date and the time, the brightness and volume, calibrate the touchscreen, change the operating unit, change the language, and change the time zone. We have now covered how to change console settings on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.